This is the new Elite 300 power station from BLUETTI. They're kind of doing a remix on this. It's got some added features. It's missing maybe that some would like, but a lot of other people don't really care about. And it's in a new compact, ultra compact form factor, honestly, for something that's got this kind of power capacity. So let's see what it can do.
Turn that to the max. It's on the left, yep. Now the AC unit. Ooh. We overloaded it. Okay.
Now, I did want to jump in here and just say we do this on purpose. We try to push it too far to make it overload and to see if it recovers. This kind of situation happens usually when you turn everything on all at once. It has that kind of surge, and then we didn't give it enough time here to get past the surge into the running, the standard running level of these units.
That needs to get turned on, yep.
All right, then on the second pass, and yes, I did turn the sound down, you're welcome. I wanted to show you it running with a staggered start where, we didn't load everything up all at once. This is the way you're supposed to do it. It's running right there, right around 1100, gets up to about 1200 as that AC, which is running outside, trying to fight that outside heat. And of course, it's gonna lose that battle, but I wanted you to see it running properly. Also, I took this unit as my power station for our road trip down to tour the Klein factory in Texas. It powered the cooler in our car. It powered my whole desktop setup. I never plugged it in once the entire time we were gone for 2 weeks, and it ran everything. And I mean, everything. The phone chargers, the PC, the Mac, all of it flawlessly. There we go. We're back from our trip. And I gotta say, 61%, that's insane. We use this thing a ton. It's still sitting at 61%. I charge phones, laptops, all sorts of stuff off of this. Never charged it once. Never plugged it in once. We're gone for 11 days. This thing is pretty incredible. There's the DC output. There's the solar DC input. I think I should probably show this already, but I can't say enough about how it held up on the trip. Long-term testing, that kind of stuff, I can't really say, but I will just say that for what we used it for, it did not complain. And that's all I want from a box like this. I don't want anything like, oh my gosh, this, blah, blah. No, I just want it to do its job. And it did it. And yes, it has an app. In fact, it's one of the better apps in the industry for these type of devices. And I'll be honest, when they first came out, I thought they were kind of a joke. Like, who needs an app on your power station? And yet, it's something I keep finding myself going back to time and time again, especially for remote access, just to turn on and off the DC or the AC, because you don't want that AC inverter just running down your battery. All right, let's jump through some of the features here. First off, I want to talk about the power on this thing. This is a 2400 watt output, 3,014.4 watt hours. You didn't mishear that, okay? This is a 3K box. Now, those of you who have been around for a while, back in the day when these first came out, we would see the 2K, the 2,000 watt hour capacity, not output, the capacity. This is a 1.5 times that, and those were $2,000 boxes. We're getting with this, you'll see the price. I just want you to remember, in the back of your head, when you see the price and everything else, this is a 3K box, not a 2K, not a 1K, not a 0.5. It's a 3K box. So you're getting 3,000 watt hours with an output of 2,400 watt. All right, they're talking about plug and play with 12 volt power, DC fridge. What this is really designed for is portable power, because one of the things that's missing is the ability to add expandable batteries. This is what it is, but you have to think about that. For what it is, for what most people is, they want to grab something, they want to go. They don't need a whole slew of batteries. They want to there's a power outage. I want to plug in the fridge. I want to plug in the freezer. I want to maybe plug in a fan or something like that. This will do that and then some and run for hours. You want to take it camping for the weekend? Great. It'll camp for the whole week. All right. You saw me. I was gone for almost 2 weeks using this thing daily, and I didn't even use half of its capacity. I used some pretty powerful kind of stuff. I was suitably impressed for something this size. That said, just because it's smaller doesn't mean it's lighter. It's not light, okay? But it'll do a whole bunch there, okay? And it's got the TT30 plug. Yeah, everyone, typically the 30 amp RV plug on it. Now, I'll talk about that in just a minute, but that is really useful. If you want to take this camping, hook it up, that kind of stuff, you can use that port. And I'll show you a way you don't also lose that port, okay? And it talks about the app. It has the app, and we talked about it. It's a good app. It really is. Now, here's the pricing on it. You're looking at the price on it right now, $1,200. Of course, this is, it even shows it's a sale price. It's $1,200 down from $1,200. I'll see if I can whip up a coupon code. So this Memorial Day weekend coming up, and if you see this afterwards, I don't know how long the code's going to be for, if I get one, but if I do, I'll put it with the link and everything down below. We can usually wrangle a code out of these people. Let's see what we can do. All right, but that said, 3,000 watt capacity, 2,400 watt output. Of course, it's using LFP batteries, so you're getting that 6,000 plus cycle on it. You're also getting free 200 watt solar panel with this that's worth $400. So that's nothing to sneeze at. And they got other packages and stuff you can do with this as well. Now, the one thing I do want to point out here is, on the ports we talked about, you've got your DC. Those are DC out. And you got your DC input. That's your solar. Of course, the plug is on the side. Here's your DC USB. You got 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, your DC control, your primary control, and your AC inverter control. Remember, if you leave the AC running, it will drain power. So if you're not using it, turn it off. Then you get your 4 120s and your 30 watt plug. Well, here's how you get that 30 watt plug back. You get yourself one of these. I have several of them. I keep them around. I use them for everything because that way, now instead of being a 4-port, it's a 5-port. Basically, it just takes that 30 amp plug and turns it into a 120. Don't try to do that backwards. That's bad. That's bad magic happens then. All right. Anyway, this is a new thing that we're seeing where they're like, okay, a lot of people aren't really looking for the extra batteries. So let's ditch that, reduce the cost, pack more features in, and more power, and it's a lot of power. I'm still stunned that they got more power in a smaller box for less money. That's something that's not to sneeze at. And BLUETTI's one of the big 3 in this industry that I often recommend. They've been making great stuff. They were kind of asleep at the wheel for a few years, but they woke up a couple years ago and realized, no, we're actually pretty good at this sort of thing. Let's keep doing it. So glad to see them there. Thanks again for them sponsoring this video. Check out the links and everything down below. If we bring you some value, go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.